Radhe Krishna, all of you. You are watching Believe in Yourself with me, Ojashi Verma. If the things didn't go the way we want, that doesn't mean the world is full of problems, because something happens with the way life wants. And what we have to do is we just have to keep learning the lessons with the life is teaching to us. So in this way, if something happens, so be happy with what you have while still working what you want to be achieved. So if you don't know how to drive a bicycle, then there is nothing wrong with the bicycle. It just means that you don't know how to handle or how to drive it. In a similar way, if you don't know how to handle a particular situation in a life, that doesn't mean that the world is full of misery or there's something wrong with the life. Just we need to learn and understand how to handle it. So things take time to happen, neither before or nor after. It happened when it meant to be happened. So if a one person who eats a meal once a day is happy, and the other person who is having lots of comforts is not happy, because happiness is not a materialistic things, it is within us. What we will feel is matters a lot than those materialistic things. So forget what hurts us, but never forget what lessons it teaches us. So this is very important. Many people comes and goes, but at least contribute something to put smile on someone's face. That is very much important, because we will also be going someday. So initially we are having breaths with us, so we don't know what is coming in tomorrow. So instead of wasting each valuable moment of life, why don't we live it and make ourselves and others smile, so that we can make this world a better place to live. So believe in yourself. With this quote, I want to say, just keep on living the life, living the moment.